If you want to change the icon colors on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and the 17 Pro Max, so here's the process. First of all, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen, then tap on Edit. Now from this pop-up menu, just select Customize. Now, your home screen might be looking like this, because this is the default option. But if you want to customize the icon colors, you have the option of dark, and by selecting dark, you will enable the dark versions for the icons. Now, you can either select always, and if you select always, your icons will always be in the dark style, but you also have the option of auto. Now, if you select auto, the dark icons will be automatically enabled during the night time, and they will be disabled during the daytime. After that, you have the option of clear, and if you select clear, you will enable the liquid gloss version of the icons, and also you have the option of the light version, the dark version, and the automatic option. And finally, you have the option of tinted. Now in tinted, you can apply a tint to the app icons. Now as you can see, from here, you can change the color of the tint, and from the slider, you can increase or decrease the intensity of the tint. And also you have the option of the eyedropper tool, and by using the eyedropper tool, you can select a color from the background to apply it on your app icons. Just like that. And once you're satisfied with your app icon color, just tap on anywhere on the screen to save the changes. And this is how you can change the icon color on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.